Good morning. Let's Talk Tuesday.
I am with some awesome second graders who have come to me saying they wanted to do a Let's Talk Tuesday all about solving problems. Let's start right over here. Tell me your name and your teacher.
My name is Emma and I'm in Miss Shupe's class. My name is Olivia and I'm in Miss Shupe's class.
Scarlett?
My name is Scarlett and I'm in Miss Shupe's class. My name is Lily and I'm in Miss Shupe's class. My name is Jackson Bugle and I'm in Miss Shupe's class. My name is Chloe and I'm in Miss Shupe's class. My name is Sierra and I'm in Miss Shupe's class. I'm Stella and I am in Miss Shupe's class.
Sounds like we've got a lot of friends, all from Miss Shupe's class. So tell me, what kind of problems do you see here at school that might need solved? Chloe, what kind of problems do you see here at school?
At recess, some people are telling each other what to do and telling each other to play this game and not that game.
Okay, so friendship recess problems? Yes.
Not sharing.
Kids not sharing. Scarlett?
Not letting people play with you at recess if they want to play with you.
Jackson?
Some people are saying, you can't play with us. We don't want you to play with us, so you can't play with us.
Yes.
Whenever there's snow, people throw snowballs at people on their faces, on their neck, and it hurts them because there's little pieces of glass.
Sounds like I'm
ice.
hearing a lot of friendship problems at recess. Would you nod your head if you agree with me? Do you see any other problems at school? Maybe not at recess, because we've already covered that. Yes, ma'am.
Pushing each other when you get mad at people.
Okay, so is that happening in the classroom too?
Yeah, that's been happening. We've seen some of that with people just
In the building?
Yeah.
Yeah, in the building. One more, yes.
Some people are pushing other people into the mud.
Okay, and that's happening at recess. So it sounds like we have a lot of friendship problems at recess. Today, my second grade friends are going to teach us a 4-step problem-solving process that we will eventually be talking about school-wide in our second step lessons. I'm going to zoom in on this poster. The problem-solving steps. S. Chloe, what does S mean?
Save the problem without blame.
Save the problem without blame. So that means if I'm having a problem with my friend, I'm going to say, I feel frustrated when I don't get to play with you. I'm not going to say, you always leave me out, you never include me, you. That's blaming someone, isn't it? Instead, stating the problem, saying, I feel frustrated when I don't get to play, instead of blaming somebody else. Why wouldn't you want to blame someone? Why do you think we wouldn't want to blame someone? Yes.
Because then they wouldn't want to be friends with you.
Yeah, it might hurt their feelings. Or when you blame somebody else, there's no ownership to the problem, right? When we blame somebody else, you did this, it automatically makes the other person feel defensive. T, who has T? Jackson. Jackson, what does T stand for?
Solution, safe, and respectful.
Yes, so we first stated the problem. Then now we're going to think about solutions that are safe and respectful. A solution is a way to solve the problem, right? A solution, if Chloe, I never get to play. Can we play together sometime? A solution, sure. I'll play with you. You can come and join us. Think of all the possible ways you could solve the problem. E.
Explore consequences. What could happen if?
Explore consequences. So we've thought of the solutions, ways to solve the problem. Now we're going to explore what could happen if we went with your solution. What could happen if we decided to share the ball? What would happen if we decided to take turns playing together. One day playing on Monday, another playing on Tuesday. What could happen? And there might be consequences that you might not realize. P. What's the P stand for?
Pick the best solution, make your plan.
Pick the best solution. So we've already talked about the solutions. We've thought of different ways we could solve the problem. We've explored what could happen if we picked those solutions. And then once we've looked at all the consequences, what could happen if, then pick the best solution. It's kind of like looking at a problem and exploring what could happen if I decided to just not play with anybody. Yeah, Jackson.
It would make them feel bad.
Yeah, that's right. And so would we pick that solution if it's going to hurt somebody's feelings? No. Another tool that we can use. Fair ways to play. Somebody name one of the topics on the poster. Cece.
Trading.
Trading. What do you think that means when we're playing? What could you trade?
It means like if you're playing with someone, if you're playing with like a stuffed animal and the other person's playing with a stuffed animal that you want, you can say, do you want this stuffed animal? And then I can have that one.
Sure. So you
And
could.
they'll maybe give it back.
That's right. Trade. Sure. Another one off of fair ways to play. Yes.
Sharing.
Sharing. Give me an
Like-
example.
Whenever you have a book and like one person wants it and one person has it, you can be like, can we please share that book? Because I really want it and you're reading it.
Sure.
And you could share
Sure.
the book by both reading it.
Sure. So that's a great solution. And the last one.
Taking turns. Taking turns means if someone if you're like, you can take, so if you have like a book that someone else wants to read, and if you're in the middle of reading it and they really want to read it, that you can let them read until they get to your part, and then they could give it back to you and they could just go back and forth.
Perfect. All of these are great solutions for friendship problems at recess. What do you guys think? Good?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yep.
Say bye.